Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Another video based on the very important topic of speed and time. When we talk about speed and time, there are a lot of unit conversions and we talk about average speed also. And these are the concepts which I have been taking off late in my previous videos, and I hope you have seen the previous two videos of this chapter in which I told you how to interconvert kilometer per hour and meter per second, and then I took up some of the problems of average speed in case of two equal distances traveled at different speeds. Now this is an extension of that previous video, so if you have not watched that video, please watch it and then watch this complete video. You will be understanding it in a better manner. So what is the topic? The topic says we have to find the distance using the concept of average speed. And now when I say finding distance, we know that distance is speed into time. So I'll take the detailed concept in my next slide, and let me tell you, this topic of finding the distance using average speed is based on our chapter number 1 of volume 2 of our complete book on quantitative aptitude. That book is also available in ebook form, and if you want a copy of that, I'll tell you how to get a copy. And this chapter 1 is entitled Master Speed and Time Problems. So if you are good in speed and time problems, so many of the word problems will become so easy for you. So how to get a copy of that? You just have to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can copy it from here, or you can find all these details in the description of this video below this video as well. So friends, let's first understand the concept behind the trick, and once you understand the concept, solving questions is just like doing a calculation. Right? So let's see the concept first. See, now suppose there is this distance which is being covered from A to B, and while going there is this speed of x kilometer per hour, and while coming back the speed becomes y kilometer per hour. So two different speeds with which the same distance is covered. Now we want to actually know how much is this distance. So what all things will be given to us? X and y will be known, the two speeds, and the total time taken to cover the distance while going and distance while coming. That total time will also be given in the question. Now suppose the total time taken, I'll write t time, total time, that is say t. Okay. Now if I have to find this distance AB, I have to use the formula for distance, which is speed into time. Now this speed actually is the average speed, and if you know average speed for two speeds x and y covering the same distance is given by 2xy upon x plus y, then the job is done. You just have to multiply this average speed by the time, which is t, and you get the distance which is covered at the speed of x and at the speed of y. So this is the concept used in the trick. So let's apply this and solve some questions now. Here we have the first question where there is a man who covers half of the distance. That means there is some distance. The first half is covering at different speed, and the second half he is covering at different speed. But you know, the distances covered with the two speeds, the two distances are exactly the same. So 84 kilometer per hour, this is x, so I'll write kmph, and what is the second speed? It is 70 kmph, and I'm not bothered about how much is the distance, obviously we have to find that, and the total time t is 9 hours, so 9 hours. So no conversion required here. So if I have to find the distance, I have to do 2xy, x is 84, y is 70, and in the denominator I have to add 84 and 70 and multiply this result by the time taken, that is 9 hours. Now this is the calculation which we have to do. So you can do like 2 times 84 or 2 times 70. So this is 84 times 70 into 2, 140 into 9 over 84 plus 70 is 154. Now you have to perform this one calculation and you will get your answer in, this is distance, right? So answer will be in kilometers. And I have already solved it for you just to simplify the things and save time. This will come out to be 687.27. 687.27 kilometers is the required distance which is covered. Likewise, if you see here, there is a train which covers half of the distance as at 112. So you will do distance is equal to twice of 112, and what is the other speed? 88 km per hour. So 88, and in the denominator 112 plus 88, and times what? The total time taken, which is 6 hours. So how do you do that? You can multiply this to either by 88 or 112. I'll do it by 112, it is easier. 224 times 88 times 6, and in the denominator 112 plus 88 is very easy, that is 200. So I can cancel this 100 and maybe this becomes 44. So this calculation is far more easier because you have 100 in the denominator. So you will get 59136 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 100. So your answer for the question will be 591.36 kilometers is the required distance. Now see, one of the calculations is obviously going to be little tricky because if everything is easy, then it can be done in maybe 10 seconds. So if the speeds which are given here and here, these are very small, like 7 km per hour or 10 km per hour, then the calculation is very small. But normally in the SSC exams, in railways, banking exams, you find little big values. They are testing you for your calculation speed also. Let's see some more questions. Very close to the previous one. 108, 90 and 6 hours. So 2 times, so the distance is 2 times 108, 90 and 108 plus 90 and multiply that by 6 hours. So this is 216 and times 9 6 are 54, so 540, and in the denominator it is 198. So this will give you your answer. And here in the fourth question, twice of the speeds are 95 and 85, and in the denominator it is 95 plus 85, and multiply that by the total time taken, which is 14 hours, and this gives us 190 times 85 times 14, and in the denominator it is 170, 180. So you have the zeros also getting cancelled, and so many different factors will get cancelled, which you can do yourself very easily. So what are the two answers? So for the third one, we will get 589.09 kilometers. This is the answer. And for the last one, it is 1256.11 kilometers. See, the questions are not difficult. It is just the concept which we need to understand and know, and suddenly the problem becomes easier for us because the short trick works for us. So friends, this concept of average speed is really important. So you need to practice a lot of questions using the previous year papers. Okay. And if you like the video, do share it with all your friends. Just pick up the link of the video, share it on your WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, on wherever on social media your presence is, and I'm sure it is going to benefit all of them also. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Practice a lot and let me know in the comments below, is it working for you? All the best.